Okay, let's say you have a logo like this and you want to import it into Plasticity, an SVG, and you press Ctrl-Shift-O for importing the SVG. Select your guy, import it, and it gives you such an error. So it imports it, but in such a distorted way. And you go back to your vector artwork and you inspect it. You go to the direct selection tool in Illustrator and you have a clean vector artwork without any stray points, without any overlapping points, and you don't know where the error is. And it drives you crazy and you are contemplating suicide. Before doing so, let me give you one explanation why this problem occurs. Your logo might be clean and whatnot, but it's also maybe a compound shape. So let me explain what a compound shape is. A compound shape is a shape which consists of multiple parts, but which is treated like one part. So let's say I want to cut this lower part. I can simply do this as if it is one shape. So don't confuse it with the grouped shape. So here I have a grouped shape. Again, when I select it, everything is selected, but not because it's a compound shape, it's a grouped shape. So when I try to subtract here, the lower part with the rectangle, it makes something like this because it's not as organic welded together like the compound shape. So I simply can ungroup this by going to Object, Shift Ctrl G, and there you have it. While with the compound shape, I can't ungroup it. Even if I run the ungroup command, it remains as one shape. But nevertheless, Plasticity want to treat it as multiple shapes. And here is where the problem starts. So you have to give Plasticity an SVG, which isn't a compound shape. And you can do that simply by, in Illustrator, I think there are similar solutions for other vector programs as well. But in Illustrator, you simply select your compound shape, right-click, release compound path, and now all the parts are released. And in this case, here the border, we have to ungroup it and run the -front thing here. Let me do it directly on the shape. And now all the shapes are individually, they aren't grouped, and they aren't a part of a compound shape. They can be grouped, but they must not be a compound shape if you want to import it in Plasticity as an SVG. So let's try to import this one again. I undo this import, import again, Ctrl-Shift-O. And here you can see I have a correct import because I have given Plasticity an SVG which doesn't consist of compound shapes but of individual shapes. So to make it short, don't give Plasticity any compound shapes. I hope this helps you. Peace!